Welcome back. Over the last year or so, I've been playing around with shaders, as you can see on screen. I also have created a lot of custom components in Kotlin Compose. And what I always had problem with is how do I capture what I see on screen so I can save it as an image. I created this application to showcase what I came up with. On the left you see a shader, and when I click on the button I see the captured image on the right side. Here's the code. What I actually did was creating an extension method for a modifier called capturing, and what I do is take a graphics layer as an input parameter, and then we call draw with content, which records whatever is drawn on the component into the graphics layer, and then we draw the graphics layer on screen. The graphics layer is defined by just calling remember graphics layer, and we give it to the modifier. The action that we call on the button click is defined here. It just calls to image bitmap on the graphics layer and save it to the bitmap so we can use it to draw out on the right side of the screen. But if we instead would like to get the actual pixel data, we can create a buffer of ints, and we have to give it the length, so the width times the height of the image or the graphics layer, and then we can ask the bitmap, please read the pixels into our buffer, and then we have access to all the pixel data from the graphics layer. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please comment below.